My name is Phanor Masolas. I am a Haitian and I'm a TPS holder. If you can see, I'm on my bed because I have a stroke on my left hand recently. And before I go further, the reason why I have that stroke is stress. After Trump administration stopped the TPS where we cannot work, we don't have a job anymore. So I was really stressed out and I'm thinking about how I'm gonna continue to live, how I'm gonna continue to pay my insurance, how I'm gonna continue to pay my rent, how I'm gonna continue to put food on my table and help my family. And the result is a stroke. So I didn't know the stroke was a killer in a way like that. I have TPS since we have the earthquake in Haiti. President Barack Obama granted Haitian TPS so where we can be able to stay in a safe country and be able to work. I leave the country even way before. And I leave the country because the country wasn't safe. So I come here. Thank God, after the earthquake, President Barack Obama granted us so we'll be able to be here. So we don't have to worry about anything because this is a safe country. I was working at the airport, a normal job, and pay my tax like every other citizen American paying their tax. And all of a sudden, President Trump, with his administration, decided saying, let's stop TPS. So Congress has to do something with the situation like that because we're not doing nothing wrong but working. How I'm gonna pay my insurance if I'm not working? Because that's the only way so I can be able to pay my insurance in this country. Congress understand how insurance is very important for everybody to live in this country. Otherwise, we're gonna die. If I'm not working, how I'm gonna pay my bill? So I'll be able to live in a house. So if I can't pay my rent, what I'm gonna do? If I cannot work, how I'm gonna put food on the table? Because we got to eat every day. This is normal thing for human being. So I'm asking Congress, please, to do something. Help us now to block Trump administration to stop TPS, to revoke TPS for us. That's we are begging you because you got the power to do it. Please. Thank you very much.